Okay.
Huh? It's January 9th, 2005.
Taylor's first feeding.
Ready? How does that taste? Open it. Mmm, pretty good, huh? Pretty good, huh? No, I know, it tastes a little funny, huh? Try some more. Yum, yum. Well, you can look at that face. You don't know? It doesn't taste so good, huh? Here, open it. Open. Open. Are you done? Are you done? Let's see. You're like, what is this funny taste? Okay, open. 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 You don't want any? Let me clean up your chin.
You getting some cereal in there?
I'm trying. Your daughter doesn't. Your daughter's finished. Look at that face. Are you done already? She's like, what is this yucky stuff you're putting in my mouth? It's breast milk. Oh, bless you. Is that okay? How about this? It's mostly breast milk. Doesn't even have that much cereal in there. Uh-huh. We're gonna have to do this for a while. Huh? You want some more? You. Oh. I know. I know it doesn't taste the same, does it? Yeah. You want some more? You look like you need something. Are you done? Should we stop? I think we're done, honey.
Sure.
I don't think she wants anymore. Because I don't want her to force it. So you don't I think she's done, honey. I don't think she wants anymore. I don't want her to eat it if she doesn't want it. He's not. He's not.
There's a glowing product endorsement.
It's not that bad. Do you show the breast milk? It's not that much cereal.
Yeah.
Only has a tablespoon.
It's only 5 tablespoons of milk and 1 tablespoon of cereal.
Somebody's still sleepy. No? Okay. Are you still sleepy? Okay, we'll try again. Ooh. Here's some. It's not that bad, is it? I'm not even putting that much milk in your mouth. No? Uh-huh. Alright. This is how mommy and daddy eat, you know, with spoons. Don't you like it? Okay. Any more? No, honey. I think we're gonna stop.
That's it?
Yeah. It's just- See, it's not too bad. It's not so bad. She's not opening her mouth. No, she's done. That's okay. We'll try tomorrow. No, honey. Stop.
Alright.